that looks good.
Thank you.
Did it help gain a good bit, or?
I don't know yet. We just got this done.
Okay.
Right.
Could you tell me your name and what's in here real quick?
Right now I have 3 DB515s, 3 7900s. And then the mids and highs are on a 180 by 4, 2 Arnold Neos and 2 Neo Tweeters.
Okay. All right.
It's not sealed, it's not tuned.
Yes, sir. Still got a lot to tweak and fine tune on it. Everything pretty much. Too, so is it a big ratio 4-quarter, or what is the tuning on? Okay.
I think 3.
Yes, sir.
Once it's done, right now I'm probably at like 2.3.
Okay. Yeah, got it.
Yeah, we got a lot of shrinking. We got a lot of...
Yes, sir. What's going on, everybody? This is JacobViral. I hope you enjoyed the quick walk around we got of his system at the Made of Steel show in 2021 Tampa, Florida area. Pretty impressive to see how much work he did on the dash and the vehicle to get the system playing for the show. Go ahead and give him a like as well as comment. Let him know what you like about his system. I like the way the layout of the box is, making a triple subwoofer system with the subs inverted. And this is actually a bandpass 4th order enclosure with a sealed section where the subs cone is facing into. And it looked like around a 3-to-1 ratio, but he said it was like a 2.3-to-1 ratio. So it looks like a pretty big sealed section. Now, he said there was still a lot of work to be done, but he got it job done for the show. And I'm recording for y'all. A lot of power running on tap too with 8,000 watt amplifier per subwoofer. And I didn't find out what kind of electrical he was running as far as the alternator and amplifier power, but I would say is a 300 plus amp alternator and 90 plus amp hours of lithium with a 4-channel Apocalypse with a couple of DefBonts tweeters. Seemed like his whole system besides the subs is all DefBonts and Apocalypse. I was most impressed with how much work he's done on this dash, and I noticed there's a couple of hole panels where the AC unit and heater probably blows out of. So he actually made this system into a speaker box, dynamatted and sealed off every area to get as loud as possible. Usually that's what a lot of SPL people try to do, seal off and add dynamat to get as loud as possible. And it really helps SPL score. I've done it myself and it's worked. Get to the car audio bass demo now. If you haven't already, consider subscribing for daily videos coming your way, and enjoy.
315s too, so awesome. Thank you. Thank you for letting me hear it, man. You have a good day.